Hi guys, today I'm unboxing an order of succulent cuttings that I ordered off of Etsy from Annie's Patio and Garden. I haven't seen them yet, so I figured I would unbox them live and see what we got. The box is well sealed, no damage to it. It's smaller than I expected, so not exactly sure how to open it. So on the safe side, I'm going to try to open the thick side. Wow. I'll speed this up. Oh, there we go. Wasn't too bad. It's a little card in there. Oh, that's sweet. Nicole, thank you for your order. Annie, very nice. Nice touch. The planting your succulents and clippings. Here's some directions, which is really nice. And let's see what we got. I want to do a bunch of arrangements. Okay, so that's what the interior of the box looks like when you receive them. Very nice. These are soft succulents, so they are not winter hardy, but they have more color. So these will be staying inside in indoor arrangements. So we'll look at how beautiful that rosetta is. I hope you can see these. Beautiful. So far they're all looking healthy and undamaged. Very nice. And I'll put a link down below to her shop if you're looking for succulent clippings. And I'll also do a video of me planting some arrangements with them. So if you're thinking about getting, I figured it out, I think that they only cost 80 cents a piece. So this is a really great way to get them. They are calloused off, so you don't have to worry about rot. I can feel the calluses on them. Oh, look at how pretty. Look at the different colors you're getting. Beautiful. This one has some rose around the green. Very nice. Doesn't look like there's any damage on them at all. These are beautiful. Most of them are full plants, which is not what I was expecting when I saw the box. I thought maybe I was getting a lot of leaves, but not at all. These are full plants. These are going to make wonderful arrangements right off the get-go. These are interesting. I don't have any like this. It's always neat when you add to your collection. Oh, look at that beauty. So pretty with the rose tips. Oh, I thought that these were individual leaves. They're not. That is a full succulent. Very nice. So it looks like every single one of them is intact. I don't see any problems with any of them. So I'll lay them all out and let you see them. Look at that one. Really different. These are super cool. Beautiful. I would say this is the only one I felt that was kind of dryish, but it could be the type of succulent. There is some excess leaves under there, but that's it. And if I count them, from the reviews I've seen, they give you extra just in case that happens. So you get a couple that dry out. They put in some extra for you. I will count them and I'll let you know. but every one of these looks viable. There's a couple that got crushed, but it's really, they should still be absolutely useful. These are beautiful. Okay, I'll lay them out and then I'll show you. Okay, all of them are great. I really can't see much wrong with any one. This one appears to be dried out, but there does seem to be enough water in it that I probably can save it. But that would be the only one. And the real kicker is there are 51 here and I ordered 40, so she gives you plenty of extra. So far I am thrilled. This is great. These will be so fun to plant, and I would definitely order from her, and I'll put the link to her shop down below. Have a great day.